Hey friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn the NVIDIA Jetson Nano Developer Kit. In the previous session, we have used the NVIDIA Jetson Nano 2GB Developer Kit, and this one is a better, bigger kit. Yes, in all aspects, this is definitely better, and it has got multiple stunning features. The most important of all the stunning features that I could say is it is a very easy to use platform, and it runs in as little as 5 watts. This is really very nice, isn't it? There are multiple features which comes with this board, and we are going to talk about it. I have just unpacked it. This board comes just as this. You do not get any add-on. You need to purchase few of the things that I have kept in the table for your quicker reference. You will need in fact SD card, micro SD card, which is minimum of 32 GB space, and you may need the camera based on the applications that you are building. I'm showing you the camera specification as well. Waveshare IMX 219-77. There are multiple other cameras which are supported, but you may have to do a little bit of research. This comes along with the board. We have got a 5 volt 4 amps adapter for Jetson Nano, and I have purchased a wireless NIC for your reference as well, AC8265, and I need a HDMI to HDMI connector because I need to see the results on the screen, and I purchased this. So all these are to be obtained for you to go ahead and start doing experiments. But before we go in depth into all those setting up and stuff, we need to understand the features. This is really an amazing kit, and this board will power up. This board will go ahead and start running once you load the Jetpack SDK. The Jetpack SDK goes into it, and you need to burn into it, and once you fix this into this, you can start using this board very easily. And Jetpack SDK is really very powerful, which comes with multiple features. It has got the Linux drivers, it has got Linux for it, and most importantly, the Linux is nothing but the Ubuntu that you are using all the way, which is slightly tuned for NVIDIA's purpose. And when you come to the technical specifications of this board, we have a GPU 128 core Maxwell. We have got CPU quad core ARM A57, which could run at 1.43 GHz. We have got 4 GB memory. We have got storage, but again, this is what I'm talking about. You need to buy it. It doesn't come with the package. We've got the camera adapter. I have already shown you that. The connectivity is a gigabit Ethernet, and we have got HDMI slots available. You can connect with HDMI. You can see that here. You could see all these are supported. The USB ports are also really plenty. You've got 4 USB 3.0 ports. You've got a micro USB slot here, which is USB 2.0 micro USB, and we've got support for GPIOs, I2C, I2S, SPA, UART. And this is really very small, and it goes into your palm. It fits very well into your palm. And they give you a very nice documentation as well, where you have got a website link, nvidia.com/Jetson Nano Start, where you can get all the downloadables and installables, and you can start working from there. Anyways, I'm going to explain you all those in near future, but for now, you need to understand what all the things that come with this, and this board gets powered up with this DC adapter, whatever I have shown you. This is slightly expensive over the Jetson Nano 2GB board that we have seen in the last time, but this is again worth it. You can run a lot of applications, and particularly the real-time applications could really be run very easily with this board. Overall, I hope you like the content. Please remember, this board does not get the micro SD card along with it. You will not get anything else. Whatever I have shown you here, I purchased all those. So you need to purchase this board, and alongside things you need to buy separately. So remember that point. That's very important. Soon we will set up this board, and we will get this up and running. I will also show you some exercises using this board. I hope it will be really very interesting. Overall, if you like the content on the channel, please subscribe, and I look forward to your comments. Thank you.